I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from exercise 3.3 NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 10 equal to express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Roman 1 I have written here. Opening up square bracket, the elements of first row 3 and 5. The elements of second row I have written 1 minus 1. Closing up square bracket I have done here. How this type of question will be solved? Here I am going to write solution. Solution Roman 1 I shall write here equal to, here you can see this is the given matrix. So here I shall write, let the given matrix capital A equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row I shall write 3, 5. The element of second row I shall write 1 minus 1. Closing of square bracket will be done like this. So here I have written, let the given matrix A equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row I have written 3 and 5. The elements of second row I have written 1 minus 1. Closing of square bracket I have done here. So here you can see, here I shall write, let A equal to P plus Q. Here I am going to express the given matrix A as the sum of the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, where P is symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Here P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Here P is symmetric matrix, Q is skew symmetric matrix. So here it is written in the given question, sum of a symmetric matrix. So here the symmetric matrix is P and skew symmetric matrix Q are sum. A, here A has been expressed, the given matrix A has been expressed in the form of sum of symmetric matrix P and skew symmetric matrix Q. So this is the case I have done here, where I shall write, here you can see P is a symmetric matrix. So for P is a symmetric matrix, so here I shall write, since P is a symmetric matrix, implies that, since P is a symmetric matrix implies that, what happened? Here I can write, since the given matrix A is there, the A equal to A dash it will become. Since P is a symmetric matrix, then A equal to A dash means the given matrix will be equal to transpose of the given matrix. So here it will become implied that P equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A plus A dash. This is the formula you must remember, because here you can see A, the given matrix A equal to transpose of the matrix A. So this one, if you write like this here, A equal to A dash, on adding you will get twice of the given matrix, and here you will get twice of the transpose matrix. So since here P is a symmetric matrix that is in singular form, that's why A plus transpose of A will be divided by 2. So this is the case. This is the formula you must remember. So here you have got P equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A plus transpose of A, bracket close. Here I shall write, now Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now Q is a skew symmetric matrix implies that in this case A equal to minus A dash it will become. Imply that you can write very well Q equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A minus A dash it will become. So this is the formula you must remember. Now Q is a skew symmetric matrix implies that for skew symmetric matrix A equal to minus transpose of A implies that Q equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A minus transpose of A, bracket close. It will become. So now I shall get this one. You can see the given matrix A equal to symmetric matrix P plus the skew symmetric matrix Q. So P plus Q I shall get here. And now the given matrix, this one is given here, A equal to this one it is given. So from the given matrix A I shall get transpose of A. So here I shall write transpose of A equal to, it will become transpose of A. So here you can see the given matrix A is there. The transpose of A it will become, here first row will be converted into first column. So here 3 and 5 are there in the first row. 3, 5 are there in the first row, that will be converted into first column. So here I shall write first column element 3 and 5. Here you can see the elements 1 and minus 1 are there in second row. So here second row will become here second column. So here I shall write 1 minus 1. So then the transpose of A will be this one. I have written. This one it will become. Now what to do next? Here you will get this value. Now value of P I shall get here. Now value of P will be, hence P equal to 1 over 2 I shall write. Now formula I shall write. Opening of curly bracket I shall done here. This is the curly bracket. Or here element of first row will be written. The element of first row you can write. This is the curly bracket. So now open here curly bracket like this. The elements of first row will be written here. Here you can see the elements of first row. A is there. The elements of first row I shall write here. The first row, the elements of A I shall write here. First row it will become 3 and 5. Second row it will become 1 and -1. Closing of square bracket will be done. Plus this is the given matrix here. Plus transpose of A I shall write this one. The elements of first row 3 1. The elements of second row 5 -1. I shall write like this. -1. Closing of square bracket will be done. Curly bracket will be closed like this. Now it will become imply that value of P I shall get here. P equal to 1/2. Opening of curly bracket it will be done. Now here you can see this is the given matrix A and this is the transpose of the given matrix. Both will be added together. So on adding you can see this matrix, the given matrix is of order 2 cross 2 and the transpose of the matrix A will also be of 2 cross 2. So both will be added together. Respective elements will be added together. So we will get here the respective elements will be added together. So we will get like this. Respective element you can see 3 plus 3. We will get here 6. 3, the respective element of 3 here will be the element 3 here. So both will be taken together. So 3 plus 3 will get here 6. And here 5 plus 1 will add, will get here 6. And here you will get 5 plus 1 will get here 6. And here -1 and -1 will be added together, will get here -2. This will become opening up, closing up curly bracket I have performed here. So here it will become P equal to, here I shall write imply that P equal to the, here you can see 1/2 I shall write opening of square bracket. The elements of first row you can see 6 6. The elements of second row you can see 6 minus 2. I have done here imply that P equal to, here 1/2 will multiply to each element of the this matrix. So 6 by 2 will get here 3. Here 6 by 2 will get here 3. Here 6 by 2 will get here 3. Here -2/2 will get here -1. This is the value of P you have got here. Similarly, you will get the value of Q by the performing the similar step. So here I shall write Q equal to, now Q equal to, I shall write here Q equal to the formula 1/2 in bracket the given matrix A minus transpose of the given matrix I have written here. Implied that Q equal to 1/2 and here I shall open curly bracket like this. The given matrix I am going to write here A. The A, first row 3 and 5, second row 1 -1, closing of square bracket perform, minus opening of square bracket I have done. The transpose of A. The transpose of A you have got here this one. So here I shall write the elements of first row 3 and the elements of second row I shall write 5 -1, closing of square bracket will be done. curly bracket will be closed. So this will become implied that Q equal to 1 over 2 here you can see minus is there. This matrix is of order 3 2 cross 2 and this matrix is also of order 2 cross 2. On subtraction of these two matrices you will get 3 minus 3 will get here 0. Here 5 minus 1 will get here 4. Here 1 minus 5 will get here minus 4. And minus 1 will get here 0. It will be become like this. Here you can now put opening of square bracket because this has become as matrix. 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 will get here 0. So here it will become implied that Q equal to opening of square bracket I shall perform here. Here 0 will divided by 2 will get here 0. 4 will be divided by 2 will get here 2. And minus 4 will be divided by 2 will get here minus 2. 0 will divided by 2 will get here 0. Here I shall write 2. Closing of square bracket I shall perform. So here you have got a matrix Q equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row I have written 0, 2, the elements of second row I have written minus 2, 0, closing of square bracket. And now here we have got the value of matrix P, this one. Here you have got the value of matrix Q, this one. Both will be added together. So here I shall write implied that P plus Q. So here the value of the matrix, the value of the symmetric matrix P I shall take from this place. So here I shall write 3, 3, 3 minus 1 closing of square bracket plus opening of square bracket. The value of skew symmetric matrix will be written from this place. This place I shall write this one. So here I shall write 0, 2, minus 2, 0 I shall write closing of square bracket will be performed. So here we will get implied that P plus Q equal to here the respective elements here it is plus here, write here clearly plus sign here I shall write, and the respective elements will be added together. So 3 plus 0 comes out to here 3, and 3 plus 2 if you add comes out here 5, and here you will get 3 plus minus 2 will get here 1, and here minus 1 plus 0 will get here minus 1. Closing of square bracket will be done like this. So here you have got P plus Q. Now see what is P plus Q. Here you can see P plus Q is there. So this P plus Q, you can see here P plus Q is equal to A. This will be equal to A. Now compare the elements of A here. So here you can see the elements of first row 3, 5. The elements of first row 3, 5 is there. And the elements of second row you can see here 1, minus 1. So here I have written here 1, minus 1. So here it will become implied that P plus Q equal to A you have got here. And now you have got implied that you can write one step more, A equal to P plus Q you have got. So this is the proper expression of the the given matrix A as sum of the symmetric matrix P and skew symmetric matrix Q. So this is the proper solution of question number 10. Exercise 3.3 NCERT 12 mathematics. And Roman 2 I have taken at this time. After some time I shall take question number 10 Roman 2 here. In the similar way I shall operate question number Roman 2 also.